Welcome to Intact Knowledge. In our QA/QC document series, today we will understand Material Approval Status Log. Let's start.
Why Material Approval Status Log is important. The Material Approval Status Log is important because it tracks all material submittals and approvals in a project, provides a clear record of approved, pending, or rejected materials, helps QA/QC engineers monitor procurement and installation, prevents delays due to missing approvals, supports documentation for audits and compliance. Without this log, it is difficult to control material approval workflow efficiently. What is a Material Approval Status Log? A Material Approval Status Log is a document used to track the progress of all material submittals and approvals throughout a construction project. It acts as a dashboard showing which materials are submitted for approval, approved by the consultant, pending review, rejected, or requiring resubmission. What does a Material Approval Status Log contain? A typical log includes material description and specification, reference to PDS, TDS, catalog or sample, submission date, review approval status, consultant remarks or comments, expected approval date, QA/QC verification notes. It provides a snapshot of material approval status for easy monitoring. Objective of Material Approval Status Log. Main objectives are track progress of material approvals, ensure timely procurement and delivery, avoid installation delays, maintain clear QA/QC records, facilitate reporting to management and consultants. Scope in construction projects. Material Approval Status Logs are used for mechanical equipment, electrical systems and fixtures, HVAC components, plumbing and sanitary items, firefighting equipment, finishes, paints, and other materials. It applies to all critical materials requiring formal approval. Role in material submittal process. In the material submittal process, all submitted materials are logged with dates and references. Consultant or client review status is recorded. QA/QC verifies compliance with specifications. Pending or rejected items are highlighted for action. Approved items are used as reference for procurement and installation. This ensures that no material is installed without proper approval. Difference between log, catalog, PDS, and TDS. Material Approval Status. Log tracks progress of all material approvals. Manufacturer's catalog provides complete product range information. Product data sheet, details of a specific selected model. Technical data sheet, TDS, technical performance details of a product. Samples, physical reference for verification. All documents work together to ensure proper material selection, approval, and control. Responsibilities. Responsibilities include contractor, supplier, submit materials and provide required references. Project engineer, QA/QC, maintain and update the log. Consultant client, review and provide approval or comments. Project management, monitor pending approvals and ensure timely action. Proper maintenance prevents delays and procurement issues. Common issues in log maintenance. Common problems include missing submissions or incomplete entries, wrong references to catalogs, PDS, or samples, delayed updates causing project delays, approval status not clearly indicated, lack of consultant remarks or feedback. Accurate log maintenance ensures smooth project execution. Records maintained. Records include updated material approval status log, consultant approval letters, comments, reference to submitted PDS, TDS catalogs and samples, QA/QC verification reports. These records become part of permanent project documentation. ISO and QA/QC compliance. Material Approval Status Log supports ISO 9001 Quality Management System, material traceability, verification of technical and contractual compliance, documentation control for audits. Relation with other QA/QC documents. The log is linked with material submittal, MAR/MS, manufacturer's catalogs, product data sheets, PDS, technical data sheets, TDS, samples for approval, inspection and test plans, ITP. It ensures complete material tracking and QA/QC control. Conclusion: Material Approval Status Log ensures proper tracking of all material approvals, timely procurement and installation, compliance with project specifications, strong documentation control, and audit readiness. If this video helped you understand material approval status log clearly, please like, share, and subscribe to Intact Knowledge. Keep in touch for more professional tutorials on QA, QC documents, and construction quality control. Thank you.